The Prime Minister promised EU citizens, quote, absolute certainty of the rights to live and remain in the UK. But the day before applications to the EU settlement scheme closed, serious questions remain unanswered. So could I press the Minister on some of them? Reports suggest that the government has estimated up to 130,000 of those eligible for benefits haven't applied for settled status. What assessment has the Home Office made of the total number of eligible EU citizens still to apply? And how have they reached out actively to those people? What support has been given to older and more vulnerable people who've yet to make applications, and particularly those in social care? There's concern that some parents have thought it unnecessary to apply on behalf of their children. How is the Home Office identifying those children and enabling their applications? Government figures show that applications have been made for only 1 in 3 children in care. So what's being done for the others? The Home Office has said late applications on reasonable grounds will be considered. So will the Minister confirm what status those applicants will have while the reasonableness of their case is determined? Victims of domestic abuse whose traumatic circumstances have prevented an application will lose rights to support and a place in a refuge. What's been done to protect them? 1 in 3 landlords are not aware of the settlement scheme. Business groups think employers don't know enough about it. What is being done to ensure nobody is wrongly excluded from housing or work? Almost half, around 2 million, of those who've applied for settled status have not received it. Instead, they have pre-settled status with no long-term rights. So what is the government doing to ensure they can overcome the barriers to full status? Madam Deputy Speaker, there is a real risk of a new Windrush-type tragedy in the future if we don't get this right now. The pandemic has affected government capacity and communications, so will the Minister reconsider his previous statement, follow the lead of countries like France and the Netherlands in relation to UK citizens, and extend the deadline for applications?